Hello, my name is Chris and here is a quick and easy tutorial on how to create a mug in Blender. We are going to start with a cylinder with around 80 vertices. Go into edit mode, grab and move in the axis to match it into an object origin point. Select upper face, insert it and extrude it down to create inside of a mug. Add edge loop and bevel it. Repeat the process, but now to create our faces for a handle. Select those 4 faces and extrude them. Remember to use 3D cursor as a pivot point. Press Shift and S and select cursor to selected and scale those faces to 0 in Y-axis. Scale it a little bit on the X-axis. Go inside Edge menu, select Bridge Edge Loops with interpolation set to blend surfaces. Add some cuts to create handle and move it in Y direction to better match it. Right now I'm turning symmetry in X axis and selecting 2 edges to slightly move them by using edge slide. And here is our low poly mug. Now we are going to create some beveling to add sub D into it. Select edges that will support topology and bevel it in around 2 segments with meter outer set to arc. Add the subdivision surface modifier and shade it smooth. And that's how you create a mug in Blender. If you got any questions, don't be afraid to ask them in the comment section below. I will try to answer to every single one of them. And if you want to support me and learn more about 3D modeling, hit like and subscribe button. Alright, that's it. I see you in the next video.